Have you ever tried to follow the Mediterranean diet, but weren't sure if you were eating the right amount? Maybe you felt like you were eating healthy, but still not losing weight, or you were cutting back too much and ending up tired and hungry. That's where this Mediterranean Diet Calorie Calculator comes in. It takes the guesswork out of eating by giving you a clear, science-backed daily calorie target, plus a breakdown of carbs, protein, and fat the Mediterranean way. Instead of guessing or following random meal plans, you'll know exactly how much your body needs based on your age, height, weight, activity, and goals. And the best part? Why use paid calculators when you get all-in-one for free at www.mdietchoice.com, or just click the link in this video description to go directly to the calculator. The very first thing you'll see is the option to choose your units, metric or imperial. Click whichever system you're comfortable with, and the calculator automatically adjusts the labels. For example, metric uses centimeters and kilograms, while imperial uses inches and pounds. If you switch, it even converts your numbers for you. No manual math needed. Next, fill in your age, biological sex, height, and weight. Don't worry if you make a mistake. The calculator has built-in checks. If you type in something too high or too low, it'll highlight the box in red and show you an error message, so you always stay within safe ranges. Scroll to the activity level dropdown. This is really important because it determines how many calories your body burns in a typical day. You'll see options like sedentary, lightly active, moderately active, very active, and extremely active. Be honest here. If you sit most of the day and only do light exercise, choose lightly active. If you're exercising hard almost daily, then very active might be a better fit. This is where the calculator gets personal. You can pick from different goals: aggressive weight loss, standard loss, moderate loss, maintenance, moderate gain, or weight gain. Each goal has a built-in calorie adjustment, so if you choose weight loss, it'll automatically subtract calories from your total. And here's a safety feature. It won't let your daily target go below 1,200 calories for women or 1,500 for men. That means no unsafe crash dieting. Do you eat once a day, 3 times a day, or maybe 6 small meals? Select the number that fits your lifestyle. The calculator will then split your daily calories evenly across those meals. That way, when you get your results, you'll see a realistic per meal calorie target that matches how you already eat. This is where the Mediterranean diet really shines. You can choose from preset macro styles like Mediterranean Default, 45% carbs, 25% protein, 30% fat. High protein for muscle building. A lower carb for more fat emphasis. Balanced if you want something in between. Or, if you prefer, you can go custom. Enter your own carb, protein, and fat percentages, and the calculator will guide you with a live total, 100% meter, so you know when your ratios are valid. Once you've filled everything out, hit the Calculate Mediterranean Diet Plan button. The button briefly shows calculating, and then your results appear instantly below. The page even scrolls down automatically, so you don't miss them. At the top, you'll see 4 big numbers. BMR, basal metabolic rate, the calories you burn at rest. TD, total daily energy expenditure, your daily burn including activity. Target daily calories, your personalized number based on your goal. BMI, body mass index, a quick height to weight check. Everything is rounded to simple numbers, so you're not chasing decimals. Scroll down and you'll see your exact grams of carbs, protein, and fat. These aren't just numbers, they're tailored to the Mediterranean approach. Carbs from whole grains, beans, fruit, and vegetables. Protein from fish, lentils, yogurt, or lean poultry. And fats from olive oil, nuts, and seeds. This keeps your meals both nutrient-rich and satisfying. Now here's the practical part. The calculator shows you a per meal calorie breakdown. If you selected 3 meals, you'll see breakfast, lunch, and dinner with calories already split. If you chose 4, you'll see snack added in. This makes it super easy to build plates without overthinking. If you love knowing the why, the calculator shows you the exact formulas used. BMR, TG multipliers, and macro conversions. It's completely transparent, so you can trust the results. Once you have your plan, you can copy results to your clipboard, print a clean version to stick on your fridge, or share the calculator with a friend or coach. Each action shows a small pop-up toast in the corner, so you know it worked. This calculator gives you direction, but your body is the best feedback. If you're constantly hungry, adjust up a little. If progress stalls, trim down slightly. Rerun the calculator whenever your weight or activity changes. Once you know your calories, don't stop there. Use the Mediterranean Diet Meal Planner to map out your week and keep it realistic. Then track what you actually eat with Track Your Food the Mediterranean Way. These 3 tools work together to make Mediterranean eating simple and effective. So, if you want to stop guessing and start eating the Mediterranean way with confidence, go to www.mdietchoice.com or simply click the link in this video description to go directly to the calculator. Then use the meal planner and nutrient tracker to turn your number into a clear daily plan. And if this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who wants to live healthier, and subscribe for more Mediterranean guides that make healthy eating effortless.